Hey guys, so last month I got invited to the 2025 Lake Forest Showhouse tour. And honestly, I've never heard of this event before, and I feel like I've been living under a rock because why haven't I heard about it? In this video, I'm walking you through the entire house from the main point of entry all the way to the pool house and the gardens. There was a specific path that we had to follow, so if you see me walking in a one direction, that's why. Now, a little backstory. This event is actually a nonprofit fundraiser run by the Lake Forest chapter of the Infant Welfare Society of Chicago, aka IWS Family Health. The money raised helps support women and children who need access to essential health care, medical, dental, and behavioral. So not only was this event beautiful and inspiring, but it also supports an amazing cause. As a designer, I had so many questions like, how does one even get involved? Who pays for all this? Who's the client? So I started asking some questions, and luckily I was able to get some answers. Apparently, they do the show house tour every 2 years, and it's all organized by a committee. Designers can apply from what I've gathered, and it helps to know someone on the inside. So my designer and I were chatting with one of the committee members, and unfortunately, I did not catch her name. She didn't have a card with her. I know, I'm like hitting myself on the head. But she explained that each designer submits 3 room concepts, each one with completely different styles, colors, and vibe. And if you do get picked to design, you have to pay for everything yourself, since it is a nonprofit after all. Basically, you're doing all this for free, covering all the costs out of your own pocket. So yeah, you would need to be financially ready to take on this type of project if you're applying for it. Some vendors do donate materials and products, which could definitely help kind of ease up on the pockets. And I know that they also offer more of a designer discount than they already get. But when I heard all this, I was like, oh my gosh, so you're actually paying to create your own design? Because I know as designers, we kind of tend to have an expensive taste. But every room had barcodes next to the items, so the people touring the home could literally scan and purchase the things right there and then, and the money goes back to the designer. So it's not all that bad. There is a chance to make your money back, and I heard one room was almost completely sold out. So it's definitely kind of a risk for a designer, but I feel like you're rewarded with a ton of exposure because there is a lot of people are touring this home, and all the tickets were sold out, and I think they even extended some tickets. But yeah, hopefully one day I can, maybe be a part of something like this. Now, who are the clients? From what I've heard, the owners live in Florida, so this is their 3rd home, so they only really come here for the summers. And another thing that I learned is a lot of these homeowners who offer their homes for these show house tours do it voluntarily, so they know what they're getting themselves into, and sometimes the homes are even referred by other people. But these particular clients gave the designers full creative freedom, which is really nice. But then again, it makes sense because this isn't their forever home. This is their 3rd home. But yeah, I just wanted to share this information for this video. I'm sorry it's vertical, guys. I thought I could film all of this in vertical mode for YouTube Shorts, but obviously YouTube Shorts has a time limit, and this house was ginormous, that I couldn't fit this all in 3 minutes, so that's why it's a regular video. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of the tour, and let me know in the comments below which room was your favorite.
My time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Yeah. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh. Tell me everything. mess of my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush, everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you, everything that you do makes me love you. Babe, I feel the rush, everything you touch. Babe, I'm missing you, everything you do. Baby, I feel the rush, everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you, everything that you do makes me love you. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.